welcome to my YouTube channel Fluid Technologies. Today the product I am going to explain you, it's a pluggable triple USB type C docking station. It's a brand new, it's an American brand. It's a pluggable, you can connect 3 HDMI or you can connect 3 DPI display cable with it, and you can get one time 3 different display screens in this dock station. It also support network, it also support USB, it also support your mobile display, and you can also take your mobile phone display in that. And the other thing, you have a memory card options. You can connect your memory card with it and you can access your data from the memory card. You can connect USB devices, USB, and you can connect your keyboard mouse with it, and this is one solution. So it's called pluggable USB type C triple display 4K display. So let's unbox it and show you what is in the box and how it will work. So unbox it. It's like this. This is the packing. You have this card. In this card you have some discount when you buy next product on their website. And there is a small book manual. You can see this is the manual with it, and this is how you can connect this. This is a regular supply line. This is the basically unit, and you have here three you can see here you have 3 options. You can connect 3 DPI cable connectivity, or you have HDMI connectivity. So, and there is a network here, and you have USBs. You can connect 4 USB here, and the other one you can connect your phone here on type C. This is the power adapter, and in front you can connect your headphone, you can connect your mic, and you can connect your memory card. So this is the dock station, and it's very nice, and I will show you how you can connect in my next video. And we have also with it the charger. Here is charger. And here is the power cable, and we have a USB cable type C. So these are in the box, and in my next video I will show you how we can plug it. You need only the DisplayLink software. You can download it from the Microsoft page in your Windows environment, and you can also connect it with your Macintosh, and you can also connect with your Apple environment. So it works in both OS, and it is fully compatible with all. It's a very nice product, and in my next video I will show you the displays on it, and we can connect and we can swap the links and videos. You can share to the software with it. It's DisplayLink. Name the software, and you can download this driver from its website plugable.com. You can download this driver so you can connect your 3 displays. There are so many other products with it. In this, which you have more than 3 display in it, and you can have many other options in this dock station. It's a very nice product, and we recently purchased it, and I will show you in my next video about this product details, and we can have a practical display, we can check and we can test it. So thanks to watch my video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.